Go to jamboard.google.com and you can access any jams you've already started or create a new one in the bottom right hand corner. A fresh Jamboard looks like this. You can set the background, and then you've got the tools down the side here. So this is a pen, so you can write on there. This is an eraser. This moves objects around, selects them and moves them. You can insert a sticky note. So again, we can move it around. You can add images. You can add shapes. You can add text on the board here, and if you're presenting, you've also got a laser pen here. You can see at the top here that this is the first frame, so you can add a new frame by doing it in that way. And then if you wanted to get others to contribute to your Jamboard, if you click on share with the link, you can change anyone with the link and change that to editor.